How we doing, folks? I'm out here at Douglas Dam with Gerald and Cindy, and I couldn't help. I knew they've been together a long time. This couple been together 64 years. Is that right?
That's right.
And we're going to dedicate this early bird song to them. And Cindy's going to do the flying here, so we're going to see her rip a pack. So here we go, folks. Y'all enjoy.
Hey, waiting to get right, only leave you left behind. Up goes the early bird soaring down. Scrounge around for whatever worms might be obtainable. Never knew who flew about theirs first. So what's available, not a lot it seems. What you gonna do for it? Anything all means. Type of dedication you gotta have as you're blazing the path. Never know who trailing you, hoping to get familiar with the ways of the things that we do. Ball hard and hold everyone who here accountable. Speaking up, stack it up till it's high as the stars in the skies. Always told to shine bright, you see it in my eyes. Ooh, we found high among the low, yeah. Ain't no stopping in, so we don't go. There's no slowing down, no, not right now. Cause the ways of the things that we do. Ball hard and hold everyone who here accountable. Speaking up, stack it up till it's high as the stars in the skies. Always told to shine bright, you see, yeah. I've been starting with the one looking right at me, slipping at a high rate, moonwalking backtrack. Clear as black and white, sometimes we need a break. Human nature don't wanna be here and get away. But I think it's time for me to start something. Being the change you wanna see, thrilling thinking of it. Got to be there in the well, however feels fitting. And they'll remember the time you chose to make a difference. We fly high among the low, yeah. Ain't no stopping in, so we don't go. There's no slowing down, no, not right now. Cause we ain't got time at all, nah. Ain't no stopping in, so we don't go. There's no slowing down, no, not right now. Cause we ain't got time at all, nah. Ain't no stopping in, so we don't go. There's no slowing down, no, not right now. Cause the ways and the things that we do are hard to hold everyone in here accountable. Speaking up, stack it up till it's high as the stars in the sky. Always told to shine bright, you see it in my eyes.
You might be wondering why I dedicated this song, Early Bird, in this video to them. Well, it's simple. There's a lot that we aren't the early birds for in life, but Gerald and Cindy were early birds for each other. 64 years, y'all.